Respected presenters, dear participants, ladies and gentlemen, the subject of my presentation is From Industrial Core to Spatial Rebalancing, Policy Responses to Environmental and Seismological Risks in the Marmara region. Located in northwestern Turkey, the Marmara region comprises 11 provinces and is home to approximately 25 million people, nearly 30% of Turkey's total population. It includes Istanbul, one of the world's major megacities, with a population exceeding 15 million. The Marmara region is the Turkey's leading economic zone, playing a dominant role in industry, trade, tourism, and agriculture, and accounts for nearly 48% of Turkey's total industrial production, and hosts a highly diversified industrial base encompassing a wide range of manufacturing sectors. However, this concentration represents not only an economic advantage but also a source of multiple vulnerabilities and risks, including environmental, social, and structural challenges. The concentration of critical industrial activities in the Marmara region introduces systemic vulnerabilities. The first one is environmental risks, including pressure on marine and water resources, water resource pollution and its impact on agriculture, and air quality. The second one is economic and structural risks, earthquake risk, infrastructure and logistic pressure, regional development imbalances. Third one is social and health risks, including impacts on public health, migration and population concentration. The last one is interaction with climate change. The Marmara coastlines are increasingly exposed to climate-related hazards, including sea level rise, intensified storms, storm events, and coastal erosion, which pose growing threats to urban settlements, industrial zones, and critical infrastructure. Challenges such as earthquake vulnerability, environmental sustainability pressures, and regional development imbalances highlight the need to reassess industrial concentration in the Marmara region within a comprehensive policy and spatial planning framework. One key strategy to mitigate these risks is decentralization of industrial activities through the development of new industrial corridors and the gradual redistribution of production toward lower-risk regions. Government-supported incentive schemes that encourage the relocation and expansion of industry from Marmara to regions such as Central Anatolia, the Black Sea, and Southeastern Anatolia, often described as industrial relocation or spatial rebalancing strategies, can play a crucial role in this process. Beyond promoting a more balanced economic geography, such policies may also help reduce exposure to natural hazards, alleviate infrastructural congestion, and lessen environmental pressures, thereby strengthening long-term economic resilience and sustainability. On 17 January 2026, within the first phase of the master plan, the ministry officially announced 16 new industrial investment zones, covering 56,000 hectares across 13 provinces along the Samsun-Mersin Development Corridor, namely Aksaray, Amasya, Ankara, Eskişehir, Hatay, Karaman, Kastamonu, Kayseri, Kırşehir, Konya, Nevşehir, Niğde, and Yozgat. This initiative added an amount of new industrial land equivalent to roughly 37% of Turkey's existing planned industrial area inventory. Designed to be on average 11 times larger than current organized industrial zones, these areas are conceptualized as mega-industrial regions. The new zones are expected to prioritize circular economy principles and green production models, while also incorporating social infrastructure, such as residential facilities for workers and industry and technology colleges for their families. The initiative has the potential to mitigate earthquake risk exposure, reduce environmental stress in heavily industrialized coastal areas, and promote a more balanced regional development structure. The Marmara region has become the primary engine of Turkey's industrial production, export capacity, and economic growth. The high spatial concentration of industrial activities has also generated significant multi-dimensional risk. The development of mega-industrial regions along new corridors represent an important step toward spatial rebalancing and risk diversification. By redistributing industrial investments to lower-risk regions and integrating sustainability-oriented planning principles, these initiatives have the potential to enhance environmental resilience, reduce infrastructure pressure in Marmara, and promote more balanced regional development. However, successful outcomes will depend on long-term policy coherence, strong environmental governance, investments in logistics and human capital, and careful monitoring to prevent the transfer of environmental or social burdens to newly industrializing areas. Thank you very much for your kind listening.